Hi, my friend. It's been a long time. I hope you guys be happy every day. Today we are going to learn some basic watercolor techniques. So, I'm gonna start to paint these apples. Always think about where the light is coming from and think of the shadows that comes with it. My video showed before how to draw an apple with a pencil. I'll put the link above. I'd love to see you, please. In general, the color of apples is vivid and strong, so make it thicker by adding equal amount of water and watercolor. It's hardly to say it. Well, this part is most important in watercolor. As soon as possible, I'll make a video about this part, namely water control. Look at the palette. Mixed more color to make it darker. There's a shadow inside the apple stem. Whatever we do, our mindset is very important, I believe. So we can do it. I can do it now. The next step, let's make it red. I'm going to paint the part where the light comes in. So I'll make it a bright red color. Start with orange and yellow. In reality, there's no highlight. However, the picture needs to be overworked to make it look pretty. Alright, let's color it one step darker. The brush touch is more bigger, please. Apples are circles, You should feel like you're going backward. So mix a little bit more of the opposite color of apple to make it unclear, that part. Don't be disappointed if it's getting weirdly colored. It can be easily washed off with water. Don't worry about it. Do it with a confident touch, please. If it's too thick or dark color, use a tissue to wipe off the paint on the brush, or add some water to the brush, please. And it's very important point. each object has its own reflect color. For example, normally if you look at the underside of an object placed on the floor, it will reflect the color of the floor, So we need to know the color of the reflect light. When painting the apple stem, don't change it with a small brush. With the brush you are currently using, raise the angle of the brush as much as possible and paint in detail, please. It's more effective. Normally, the color of the reflected light is opposite to the original color of the object, or a light or achromatic color. When expressing the shadow outside of the object, paint it at a suitable angle that looks good. I'll make a separate video for this part. As I always say, practice is the best way. Try it, please. Thanks, my friend, always. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.